Hi folks, Brian Caines here, General Manager of Edmonton Motors. This is our big truck.
And this is our big truck event.
We got some great clearance prices. Like, for example, the Chevy Equinox. Sale price $29,399. We got this excellent Silverado, $29,721. And we also got this truck over here, $35,144. And this beauty, all decked out for everybody, $63,468. We also have some great deals on our pre-owned vehicles. For instance, this 2013 Fiesta, beautiful car. Payment's only $155 bi-weekly. Also, take a look at this Grand Cherokee, 2012, $310 bi-weekly. This Dodge Journey, beautiful, beautiful car, $182 bi-weekly. So this is our big truck event. Give us a call at 780-482-5771 or look us up online at www.edmontonmotors.com. Where the heck am I?